What's up YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel Utkarsh Heals. Myself Utkarsh. I'm a soul guide, motivational speaker and a healer. So today's topic is how to cope up with failure. Failure is a phenomena which occurs in everyone's life. Like day and night happens in this world. Nobody can deny this fact that day and night will not gonna happen. Earth will gonna stop one day. Nobody can say that. It's a phenomenal thing, universal thing. It will gonna happen. Same applies with the case of failure. Failure happens every day in everyone's life. I will tell you a simple example. Suppose you set yourself a goal that I am gonna do this, I am gonna study for 3 hours, then I will go to work, then I will do this. You have decided everything. Now what happens? You set the intention. Now you are going to study for 3 hours. Suddenly electricity goes off. What happens? You were intended to do the work, but suddenly electricity went off. So you failed in that thing. Your plan has failed. We are failing in everywhere and every time, but that doesn't mean that we are not about to win. Winning is the intention of the mind and a mindset that yes, I have achieved this in that manner of thing. Failing at something doesn't make you a failure. It gives you a reminder that you can attain lot of things in your life, and the way you are following the things are not gonna take you to that level of success which you are dreaming of. For example, I think you must have seen the Money Heist, a famous Netflix series. In that, what happens is they plan at something of heisting the Bank of Spain, and suddenly what happens is they suffer from lot of failures, uncertainty of nature, but ultimately they win. They did it very fantastically. So just it reminds that failure is not consistent. It is a temporary thing and it happens every day. It is said by many famous celebrity that failure happens more than winning. Winning is just 1%, failure is 99%. To grab that 1%, you need to adapt that I'm gonna fail, I'm gonna learn. That's it. Either you're gonna lose it or you're gonna win it. That's the simple principle. In that moment of scenario, why you are avoiding the great treasure of your life, the moments you have, the feelings you are carrying with yourself? These things matter a lot. The youth, the age, the kind of things which you are doing, the current world situation, and many things which you are blessed with. You should be grateful for those things rather than cursing things, finding out mistakes, and saying that I am not worthful of anything. You should do one thing. Whenever you wake up early in the morning, just say, I won't give up, I am the winner. Look at yourself in the mirror, however you are physically, short, tall, fat, ugly, whatever, you just say, I'm beautiful, I'm handsome, I'm the best, and I'm gonna rule it. That's it. Do this thing constantly, adapt this in your mind. Definitely you're gonna change your mindset and you will be a warrior and you will work up in a better approach. What matters is your approach. Your approach towards life, the way you think. Suppose a person is observing oranges from a height, he will say that it's a lemon, and when the person who is sailing it off, he will say no, it's orange. So it's just a perception. You just have to change the perception towards failing and winning, and your life will be sorted. You just don't have to criticize and just don't have to blame that you are not worth of anything. You should always say you are worthful. You can do lot of wonders in your life. You have everything. So just do this thing, and believe me, failing gives you a tough tougher situations, and failing gives you a morale booster that yes, I'm gonna hit it harder now. There are plenty of success stories who failed many a times but attained a lot of success. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for your love and support.